Check out my Want Low Sodium Mozzarella video. Decide what cheese you're going to be using. At the end of this video, I will tell you the total that's in the 16-inch pizza using all of the different choices. Sifter has got 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 4 teaspoons of Hain Featherweight baking powder, sodium-free. Order from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. You'll sift that in there and stir in 2 cups of Fag Total 5% Greek yogurt. I thought it had 80 milligrams of sodium per cup, but it's only got 60. When that gets in here, I'll knead it until I have a smooth dough, adding a little more flour as necessary to get it smooth. My pan has 1 tablespoon of cornmeal sprinkled on the top of it. Time to make the crust. Forgot to tell you, have a little bowl of flour handy to dip your fingers in when you're putting your crust on. Sometimes the dough sticks to your fingers. Makes it a lot easier. We're going to put some goodies on this pizza. Low sodium pizza sauce video will show you how to make pizza sauce. 1 cup is 98 milligrams of sodium. You can use ground beef. If you want sausage, low sodium Italian sausage medium spice video. Show you how to do that one. I've got 5 ounces of cooked sausage, 85 milligrams of sodium. The sauce is going to go on. Then we have 5 ripe olives, chopped up, no salt added, 40 milligrams of sodium. 4 ounces of pineapple tidbits. Don't have any. I usually use 8, but I only have 4 today. 1 cup of sliced bell pepper, red, green, yellow, whatever you like. Half of a medium onion, sliced thin, 2 milligrams, and the peppers have 10. 4 ounces of mushrooms sliced for 16. And we have our mozzarella cheese. I'm using Kroger brand today. 150 milligrams of sodium. My oven's hot, 400 degrees. We're just going to put all this together. Subscribe to my channel, and you'll get a new low sodium recipe, and sometimes a tip to go along with it every Friday. I'll check our pizza in 16 minutes. Sometimes it takes 18. We don't know yet. 19 minutes in my oven for a perfect looking pizza. I'm using 30 milligrams per ounce mozzarella. The whole pizza has 521. If I used 40 milligrams per ounce, it would have 571. 50 milligrams per ounce, it would have 621. 55 milligrams per ounce, 646. 85 milligrams per ounce, 796. 100 milligrams per ounce, 871. 150 milligrams per ounce, 1,121. Oh, we're going to have good dinner.